He took my hat. He took my hat off of me. You diesels need to help me, please.
He's just telling a hoax to us. That's all he's doing. And damn right, Arry. He's telling lies. You just threw him out just because we were only having a joke. Damn right. There's no such thing as spider trains. Nothing more than stinky steamies out there.
Oh.
I think we were wrong.
I hear something. The monster! He was right! Man, you gotta let us hide, you gotta let us hide! Oh, man! Yes, we get it, sir. We didn't mean to trick you. You didn't know you were telling us a story.
Maybe we doing that was a big mistake. Maybe we should just go home, shall we? Yeah, sure.
Help! He's after us! Hey, get away!
Choo-choo Charles's choo-choo feelings! I don't think so. Perhaps that spider train is nothing but a scary scrap monster. Damn right. Maybe he should scrap himself with his long legs. I am totally down with that. Yeah, let's get out of here. I agree with you, Bert.